Howdy folks, welcome to HawkMeyer Outdoors, and on this episode we make some char cloth.
That's right, you might have watched our Altoid can video and showed us use some char cloth, had char cloth in my fire kit. This episode is going to be going over exactly how I made that char cloth. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, okay. To make the char cloth, you have to have a few components. Number one, you have to have 100% cotton material. I've used this old t-shirt that I've cut up into patches, and I've also rolled it up into a roll of material there, and I've tied it with part of that material as well. You have to have a fire and a container to char it in. Simple container. I poked a couple of holes in it.
Start it off, you're going to need to put about 4 pieces of your cotton into the tin. Don't overpack it. Go ahead and close it off. And we'll take this to the fire.
I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's actually flames coming up through those holes that are poked in that lid. Once those flames die down, you need to remove it from the fire and flip it over the holes down, block off any oxygen coming in. That'll quit the cooking process on your cotton cloth. You can see there's a little bit of fire coming out of the lid of that can. When that fire when it goes out, it should start smoking. When that smoke tapers off, you need to pull your can off the fire so your cloth doesn't burn. It just needs to be charred. Well, our tin quit flaming. So what we're going to do, we'll reach in here with these gloves, pull it out. We'll set it down here with the hose facing down. Let that cool off for a little bit. We're going to open it up and see what we got.
Cooled off, pretty much ready to go. The reason why you put the holes down, it stops all the oxygen from getting to the cloth and stops it from cooking. But we'll take this over here and open her up. Show what we got. There's the finished product. Nice piece of char cloth.
I want to demonstrate actually using this char cloth. So you get your piece of steel here, flint. An idea is to strike them together. And what you're doing, you're actually shaving off part of the steel. It's a very hot spark, and it's going to land on your char cloth, and that's going to start be able to hold your ember.
Get it out.
We got green now. We actually got one of the sparks to hit the char cloth. Put it to our bundle here. And you have fire. That matches our letter. Nothing you can use if you don't have one of these pieces of steel. Take a high carbon steel knife, like old hickory here, and take your flint, strike the knife, keep the knife point holding the char cloth down. And then it's glowing already. the beginning of the video, I said that I rolled some of the material up. You can light it the same way. And the reason I do that, roll it up, you can get a lot more burn time off a piece of this rolled up material than you can like just a flat piece. So I mean that would smolder for a good long while. Another piece, denim works extremely well. Blue jean material will hold a good ember. It's a little bit thicker material than this. So denim's another good piece of material to use. But that's still just smoldering.
So we took you through the steps of making this char cloth. It's a really good idea. Come in handy.
Yeah, it goes to show you don't need all the modern conveniences, matches and lighters to get a fire going. If you know some simple skills and have a few things laying around like this, you can make your material to get a fire going.
If you like the content, like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.
Yeah, catch you on the next one.
Yeah, good day.
Good day.
It's a good day, sir.
These are the pieces that came with. I think that form works better. No, might
That's
work.
worked pretty good. I think it's the way it's made. Got more room.
That one, you gotta hit it just right.
Gotta hit that one just right. This one has kind of a shelf.